there is always a story of a person that they can, when they look at their back or behind, they will say, that was me before, right? So I was sitting just, you are sitting right now before, that was 5 years ago. And here I am now sharing to you why I started this digital business. I was a nurse for so many years. I migrated and I became a nurse for 49 years. Of course, being an immigrant is not that easy, right? We thought that coming overseas, migrated to other countries, it's a bed of roses. It's a greener pasture, but I came to realize that it's not. Hindi po pala. You have to work for that greener pasture, for that pasture to become green. Meaning, you work lots of hours, you work like multiple jobs from job to job to job, even though na you cannot walk anymore properly, even though that the body is ache, still you smile because you take that responsibility to do that job. I was working so hard. And you know what? When my children moved out to start their own life, doon ko na-realize ang nawala pala akong savings for my retirement. You know what Filipino is? All the way out pagdating sa pamilya. Hey? Yeah. All the way out sa pamilya, bigay sa mga anak, ang iniisip natin sila. Not even thinking sa sarili natin. That was overwhelming. That was scary. Na-realize ko, I worked so hard. And then why I ended up no savings. Pero hindi lang siguro ako nag-iisa. Dahil lahat ng magulang ay ganyan ang ginagawa para sa mga anak. So, nag-pray ako that time. How can I start? How can I live the dream of my life? How can I start traveling? How can I start go back in the Philippines and enjoy my retirement? I don't have money, right? Being I retired, but I have the freedom, but I don't have the money. If you don't have the money, but you have the freedom, you cannot enjoy life. That's what happened to me. Then I came across to this ad that na dumaan sa newsfeed ko, na inviting me for a live complimentary webinar. And I was scared, just like you is watching right now, and who will be a digital business owner soon. It's normal to be skeptical, doubtful, and fearful. It's normal. It's the part of the journey in this business o kahit sa ang buhay that you start a new thing. There is always skepticism. Skepticism, you know what? Create curiosity. Ano kaya iyon? Bakit kaya sila ganon? When I watched the webinar, my question were answered that I saw these people who are presenting in the webinar, they are enjoying their life, travel there, para bang wala nang katapusan ang enjoyment nila, right? Para bang nag-spend sila ng time sa pamilya nila. Nag-uwi sila sa Pilipinas ng 6 months. And then, you know what, come back 6 months and travel there and here. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I want that kind of life. That was that time that I said yes to this business, and that yes become the starting of my journey and become who Maria Santos right now. Back to you, Ryan.